Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So, a little bit of a different background. I just got off work, and normally I am off when I film, so I have a chance to do my makeup a lot better, not 5:30 in the morning look, so excuse the look. It is from probably about 9 hours ago now, but I am super excited because I came home to a lot of boxes, including there is my BoxyCharm Premium, and here is my Luxe. So we're gonna go ahead and do my Luxe right now, and then I'll probably get a little bit fancier and do some different videos tomorrow. But I couldn't wait to get into this. I definitely want to see what's in this box. So those of you that don't know, this only comes 3 times a year, and it is a $50 box in place of your base box. So if you add it on. So without further ado, let's see what's in it. All right, so I am down on the floor, so I hope this angle and everything is not too bad and it doesn't look too bad. But anyway, let's get into it. So when you open it up, that is what you see. And those earrings are right on top. And the theme is bubbles and glitz. And yeah, I've seen people talk about that. The variation is C2012418/LX. That's my variation. So anyway, let's get into it. Here are those earrings that I was talking about. Those I did pick, and that says Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor Cushion Cut CZ Halo Stud Earrings. These stud earrings feature brilliant 2 carat cut cushion cut cubic zirconians surrounded by sparkling pave halos. Say hello to your new favorite everyday, every occasion earrings, valued at $36, and they are very pretty. The choices were not that great this time around, so I mean that's why I chose these, otherwise I wouldn't have. And I believe this is the first time you've ever seen anything like this in the Luxe box, but they are really pretty. So there are those. Moving on to the next item that I see. Oh, okay. So this looks like it's a hair product, and I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see that. Can you get up? Yeah, it's not showing up because my lighting is not the best right now. Again, sorry. But this says Reza, R-E-Z-A, Reza, be obsessed, love my leave-in. Formulated with the gold-infused shield, this leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant, valued at $22. Okay, I mean, I love getting hair products and I love leave-in, so I'm not upset with that. Actually, I'm kind of happy with that. All right, now take this off. Now this everybody was getting, so I already knew, I'm pretty sure everybody was getting this, but I already knew I was getting this, which is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. So this is Sunday Riley Good Jeans Lactic Acid Treatment. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high-potency formula exfoliates dull, pore-clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With skin brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for naturally brighter, even-toned skin. And this bad boy is valued at $85. I do like Sunday Riley products, so I am happy to get this because I've only used like those little tiny sample sizes of this. And I have been using the A+ retinol 3 times a week probably. So super excited for that. Moving on next, I was hoping that I was going to get this. I don't know if everybody gets this. I'm not sure, but now I'll go back and watch all the videos to see if everybody did. But I was really hoping that this was in my box because I just love the color of it, and it does stink. Oh my gosh, you can smell spray paint as soon as you open it up. Anyway, love the color of it, the concept, and how cute it looks. So for those of you that do not know, this is a Luxe brush set. Where are you? Luxe Glitter and Gold brush set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red pouch, valued at $85, and there is a nice little variety of different brushes, and they are really super cute. And anybody that gets boxes probably knows about Luxe brushes and how good they really are. So I'm really excited for this. Next in our box, I feel like we're going through this pretty quickly. We have a palette, and it is the Hip Dot palette. So this is really cool looking. I wish it was more of a green palette, but it is not. I will show you. So this says Hip Dot. By the way, I'm upset about that My Chemical Romance Hip Dot. Yeah, I'm sure you guys have heard about that. I'm a little salty. I didn't get my hands on it, so I hope I do when it comes out to Ulta, because it's supposed to come out to Ulta. Anyway, about this palette. Hip Dot C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C-Note. A homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep, valued at $30. So there is the back of it, and here's the front. Sorry, I'm trying to like lean into the camera because I'm a little far away from it. And on the same, when you take the sleeve off, and then there is a mirror, and when you open it up, it is a lot more blues, there you go, than it is greens, but it does have some greens in it. So I'm excited to give this a try. If anybody has tried this palette, let me know down below what you think of it, because I'm really interested to see what other people think of Hip Dot's formula. But this is really pretty, and I am super excited to try this. Okay, next in the box is an actual Kat Von D. It doesn't say KVD, it says Kat Von D. And this is KVD. It says KVD on the slit thing, but it says Kat Von D on the box. So, KVD Vegan Beauty Dagger Tattoo Liner. Experience effortless winged liners with your initiative eyeliner, specifically engineered for easy application on any eye shape. Making Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for all makeup junkies, valued at $21. It is a good liner. I'm not mad at it because it is a good liner. So, yeah, I do like the tattoo liner better, but hey, that's not too bad. Now this item, I'm not too excited to see in the box because we've seen this over and over and over in all kinds of boxes. Now this does look a little different. It's not the same, but it's still the same concept. And it is the Avant Skincare Intensive, redensifying. I can't say that. Okay. Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer, the ideal remedy against time. This day moisture aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich textures combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. This is why I'm not happy about this. This thing is valued at $123. This is a very expensive brand. This is only 1.69 ounces. I just don't know. It's not a miracle cream. I don't know what to think about this. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you think it's a ripoff? I don't think it's worth the money, for sure. Especially as small as that is. That's ridiculous. Anyway, there's that. And we are down to our last item. I feel like we went through this super, super quick. It is the iconic London palette. I am excited for this one too. Blaze Chaser Face Palette, an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing and to add natural warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelight radiance. Valued at $55. I do like the iconic London things that we do get in our boxes, and this doesn't look like the palette that other people got. But I'm not upset about it at all. I enjoy a face palette, and I really like those blushes, and the bronzers actually look like they will work for my skin tone, so I am kind of super excited for this. Really excited actually, because I know their products work really good. So recapping our box for December, Boxy Luxe. I had to think about that. Duh, we're in December. We have 2 palettes. So we have the face palette and an eye palette. Can't get mad at that. I'm excited about the leave-in. So we have a leave-in conditioner, a full set of Luxie brushes, a product from Sunday Riley, and we have the earrings. We have a Kat Von D product, not KBD, Kat Von D. And then we have 123 unnecessary cream, basically. So, what do you guys think? I think it's actually pretty good. Only thing I really don't care for is the cream. I mean, I probably will use everything else that is in that box, so I'm not mad at it at all. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and stay tuned because I will be unboxing the other BoxyCharms tomorrow. Thank you guys. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.